magic, it's pebble size. Oh, there's so much pebbles. Or peas. I'll call it pebble or peas. Hell. Yeah, peas is common to say. I'm gonna call it pebble. Pebble hell. The other pea size, but I'll call it pebble. Oh, okay, you can sit here. Oh shit, that's too much. What is that? Kinda looks like a tornado, but it ain't gonna form a tornado. There's hail, so it means that no tornado. Let's go to somewhere. Okay, back here. Yeah, I think kind of a lot of hills just hit us. It's just pebbles. But it looks like peas, so probably I'll call it peas. I think it was like two size. Like tested one. I'm gonna give you look at the sky. But did you return to make a video, right? Is this spinning right now? Is this a tornado? Okay, it does not look like a tornado. Wait for this tornado to be good. Let's take a look. Is this a tornado actually? This one does not look like a tornado. Probably it's not actually not a tornado. Okay, have a look at the ground again. Oh, okay. It does not look like a storm, I guess. I think that's not a tornado. Just don't record that one. That does not look like a tornado. Not spinning, but just other clouds can look like it's making spinning. But ain't no way it's not a tornado. Okay, see you, bye. Bye-bye. Wait, no, mate. Wait, go look over here. It's on the road. Nice. Our car survived. Wait, actually? Okay, no, it's not actually not survive. I mean, yeah, it did survive. And also, it was putting my face on water. I will give you an update. So if it rains, go bye-bye. So, bye-bye.